Okay, I'm at a little bit of an angle here. I hope you can see all of this. I want to show you what you're going to need to get started. Let's see. The first thing I recommend is paintbrushes. I recommend that you use acrylic paintbrushes, not watercolor, because you need these to be a little stiffer. This is a flat or a bright. It's called either one. Flats are a little bit longer. I prefer the shorter because you want a little bit more body to your brush. You're going to need a Fantastics, which is in your kit, and we're using the VersaCraft or the Tsukineko brand inks because they are fabric permanent. And this one happens to be 12 colors. We're just going to be using these, very well used as you can see. We're going to be using the purple in here for doing a little bit of shadowing. You need to have a plastic plate or paper plate or some kind of plate that you can use to mix your medium with your water. You need to have some water in a little cup so that you can clean your brushes. I use the Neopaque by Jacquard Flowable Extender, and I really like it. You may find that you like a different kind of medium. You can experiment with different ones, but for this purpose we're going to be doing this. You'll also need a paper towel to blot your things on, and you are going to need your Inktense pencils. That's what we're using predominantly to do our coloring in here. These are pigments, ink pigments that are water soluble, and I'll show you how to get all of this together so that we can do it on our fabric. The last thing you need, but probably one of the most important things, well, they're all important, is you need to have your work area. This is your work table with all of the drawn on imagery so that you can follow along with me and learn how to create absolutely beautiful work on fabric.